Hello everyone, Jim from Ohio here. How many times have you been out in the yard working away under the hot sun, sweating profusely, only to be pestered by those biting flies? They're chasing you around the yard, following you everywhere you go. Those little black ones that bite, or even the green deer flies that land on your head every opportunity they get, and even draw blood from time to time, or even those great big huge horse flies that just land on you and it feels like they take a chunk out of you. Well, I've got an answer for you today, and this is it's going to seem kind of hokey, but trust me, this really works good, and you don't have to use any of those smelly chemicals or sprays, lotions that you have to rub all over your skin. Here's the answer. It's a simple plastic toy dragonfly attached to a wire, and that wire is attached to an alligator clip. All you have to do is clip this onto the brim of your hat, and it'll bob above your head as you're working away in the yard. And since a dragonfly is a predator for those biting flies, they don't want to be anywhere near one of these things. Now, this is something that you can order on Amazon.com, and you can buy a set of 10 of them really cheap, and they work great. Now, if you don't want to wear it on your hat, you can attach it just to anything that you can attach a alligator clip on without it hurting. I wouldn't want to put it on your ear or anything like that. But if you're a person that has livestock, either cattle or horses or dogs, anything like that that's outside that's also annoyed by these things, you can just simply clip them all around the yard or all around the kennel or whatever type of place that you have your horses or cows in, the stables. And these things will keep those flies away and keep your animals from getting bit and annoyed too. So I'll leave a link down in the video description below on exactly where you can get some of these for yourself. And I think you'll like them. I think you'll report back into the video with a thumbs up saying you got them and you're happy with them. Trust me, they work wonders. Well, good luck. This is just a short video today. We'll catch up with you next time. This is Jim with Jim Jenny, Ohio. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.